Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Bella. I'm Bella.
And I'm Ryan.
Today we're talking about 3 tiny English words that confuse millions of English learners.
Like, as, such as.
Maybe you've heard sentences like, she sings like Taylor Swift. I work as a teacher. I love sports such as basketball and tennis.
And maybe you've wondered, why can't I just use like everywhere?
That's exactly what many English learners do, and that's why they sound a little unnatural.
Here's a quick challenge. Which sentence sounds correct? A, I work like a doctor, or B, I work as a doctor. Pause for 2 seconds.
If you chose B, great job, but don't worry if you picked A. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly why.
And here's the good news. The difference is actually much easier than most grammar books make it seem.
We'll explain everything using simple English, real American conversations, and lots of examples you'll hear every day.
We'll also show you the most common mistakes English learners make, so you can avoid them.
And later in this lesson, Ryan and I will have a real conversation using like, as, and such as naturally, just the way native speakers do. Your challenge is to see how many you can recognize.
But first, let's start with the word Americans probably use hundreds of times every day. Like.
Let's start with the word you'll hear everywhere, like. Americans use it every single day, but today, we're focusing on its correct grammar use.
The easiest way to remember it is this. Like equals similar to. It compares one thing with another.
For example, she sings like Taylor Swift. That doesn't mean she is Taylor Swift. It means her singing sounds similar.
Another example. He runs like an athlete. Maybe he isn't a professional athlete, but he runs in a similar way.
Or, this tastes like chicken. Again, you're making a comparison. You're saying the taste is similar.
Here's another sentence Americans say all the time. My little brother looks like my dad. They don't mean he's the same person. They mean they have a similar appearance.
Notice the pattern. Like equals comparison, not identity, not someone's job, just similarity. Ryan, people always tell me you sound like an English teacher.
Well, that's a compliment.
I hope so.
Here's another one. You laugh like your sister.
I've heard that before.
Again, comparison.
Now, let's fix one of the biggest mistakes English learners make. Many people say, I work like a doctor.
Sometimes that's correct, and sometimes it's completely wrong. If you're actually a doctor, don't say, I work like a doctor. Say, I work as a doctor.
But if you aren't a doctor and someone says you work like a doctor, that means you work in a similar way. Big difference. Let's practice. Which sentence is correct? A, she dances like Beyoncé. B, she dances as Beyoncé. The correct answer is A, because we're making a comparison. She dances similar to Beyoncé. She isn't Beyoncé.
Great job. You're already thinking like a native speaker. But now comes the word that changes everything. Native speakers switch from like to as the moment they're talking about someone's real job, role, or responsibility. And that's exactly where most English learners get confused.
All right. Now let's learn one expression that native speakers use all the time, such as,
if like compares and as explains a role or function, such as gives examples.
Exactly. Think of it this way. If you're saying, for example, you can usually use such as.
For example, I enjoy outdoor activities, such as hiking, camping, and cycling.
Notice, you're not saying these are the only outdoor activities. They're simply examples.
Here's another one. I love tropical fruits, such as mangoes, pineapples, and papayas.
Again, examples, not a complete list. Ryan, what kind of movies do you enjoy?
I like action movies, such as Mission Impossible and John Wick.
Nice choice. I prefer animated movies, such as Toy Story and Finding Nemo.
See how natural that sounds? Native speakers constantly use such as when giving examples.
Let's hear a few more. We sell electronic devices, such as laptops, tablets, and smartphones.
Many countries, such as Canada and Australia, have beautiful national parks.
You should eat healthy foods, such as vegetables, fruits, and nuts.
Simple, natural, very common.
Here's a mistake many English learners make. They say, I like fruits like such as apples.
That's incorrect. Don't use like and such as together. Choose one.
Correct. I like fruits such as apples and bananas. Or, I like fruits like apples and bananas.
Both are correct. Just don't combine them.
Let's practice. Complete this sentence. I enjoy sports. Blank, basketball and tennis.
The answer is such as. I enjoy sports, such as basketball and tennis.
Perfect.
So now you know, like compares, as explains a role, such as gives examples. But here's where even advanced learners get confused. Sometimes like and as if both seem possible, yet they create completely different meanings. Let's clear that up next.
All right, now let's put everything together. This is the part that makes everything click.
By now, you already know the three simple rules. Like compares. As shows someone's real role or function. Such as gives examples.
Let's compare them side by side. Listen carefully.
Sentence 1. She sings like Adele.
That means her voice is similar to Adele's. She's not Adele. It's only a comparison.
Sentence 2. She works as a singer.
Now we're talking about her real job. Being a singer is her profession. No comparison this time.
Sentence 3. She sings many songs, such as Hello and Rolling in the Deep.
Now we're giving examples. See how each expression has a completely different job. Ryan, what do people say about your cooking?
They say, I cook like a professional chef.
Are you actually a chef?
No, if I were, I'd say, I work as a chef.
Exactly. And what kind of food do you cook?
Italian food, such as pizza, pasta, and lasagna.
Perfect! You just used all three correctly. Let's fix three very common mistakes.
Incorrect. I work like a teacher.
If teaching is your job, say, I work as a teacher.
Incorrect. She sings as Taylor Swift.
Unless she actually is Taylor Swift, that's wrong. Say, she sings like Taylor Swift.
One more. Incorrect. I enjoy sports like such as soccer.
Don't use both together. Choose one. I enjoy sports like soccer, or I enjoy sports such as soccer.
Ready? Choose the correct answer. My brother works blank an engineer. A, like, B, as. The answer is B, as, because it's his real profession.
Next one. She dances blank Beyoncé. A, like, B, such as. The answer is like. We're making a comparison.
Last one. I enjoy outdoor activities, blank, hiking and camping. A, as, B, such as. Correct. Such as, because we're giving examples.
Fantastic. Now you know the grammar, but can you recognize these expressions when native speakers use them naturally?
That's exactly what we're about to test. In the next section, Ryan and I will have a real American conversation using like, as, and such as without stopping to explain anything. See if you can catch every one.
All right. No more grammar. No more rules. Just listen to a natural conversation and see if you can recognize like, as, and such as yourself. Ready?
Let's do it.
Ryan, I finally visited that new Italian restaurant yesterday.
Really? What was it like?
Honestly, it was amazing. The pasta tasted like something you'd eat in Italy.
Now I definitely have to try it.
The chef actually worked as a chef in Rome for almost 10 years.
Seriously? That explains why the food is so authentic.
Exactly. They serve traditional dishes, such as carbonara, lasagna, and risotto.
Those are some of my favorites.
The waiter was really friendly, too. He treated everyone like old friends.
I love restaurants like that. Good food, friendly people, and a relaxed atmosphere.
The manager told us they hire people as full-time staff only after several months of training.
That's probably why the service was so good.
Exactly. Even the desserts, such as tiramisu and cheesecake, were incredible.
Okay, now I'm hungry.
Mission accomplished.
You know what I noticed?
What?
We used all three expressions naturally, without even thinking about them.
That's exactly how native speakers talk. They don't memorize grammar rules. They hear these patterns so often that they become automatic. Let's see if you caught them all.
Like was used to compare things. The pasta tasted like Italy. He treated us like old friends.
As showed someone's real role, as he worked as a chef. They hired people as full-time staff.
And such as introduced examples. Dishes such as carbonara and lasagna. Desserts such as tiramisu and cheesecake.
Great job. Now there's just one last thing left. A quick challenge to make sure you'll never confuse these three expressions again. Before we finish today's lesson, let's do one final challenge. No explanations, just trust your instincts. Ready?
Let's see how much you've learned.
Complete the sentence. She sings blank Taylor Swift. A, like. B, as.
The answer is like, because we're making a comparison.
Complete the sentence. My father works blank an engineer. A, like. B, as.
Correct. As, because it's his real profession.
Complete the sentence. I enjoy outdoor activities. Blank, hiking and camping. A, such as. B, like a. The answer is such as, because we're giving examples. Which sentence sounds more natural? A, the soup tastes as chicken. B, the soup tastes like chicken. The correct answer is the soup tastes like chicken. We're comparing the taste. Let's remember the easiest rule. Like, comparison. She dances like Beyoncé. As, real job, role, or function. I work as a teacher. Such as, giving examples. I enjoy sports such as tennis and basketball. If you remember those three simple rules, you'll avoid one of the most common mistakes English learners make. And here's a little challenge for this week. Try using all three expressions in real life. One sentence with like, one with as, and one with such as. The more you use them, the faster they'll become natural. If today's lesson helped you, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to TalkBella, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson. And leave us a comment. Write one sentence using like, as, or such as. We'll read as many comments as we can and help you if you make a mistake. Thank you so much for learning with us today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, small improvements every single day lead to big results. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.